This guy, you know this guy, it's breakfast man. Breakfast man just keeps on breakfasting. Only the best, only the best. We got a bagel. Nice egg sausage bagel filled with egg sausage and bagel. Maple bread. Maple infused bread with a little extra on top and butter for all your bread maple needs. This is a chocolate cranberry bread. It's baked in it. Who came up with that? And finally, another different eggs and sausage, not McMuffin, but it puts McMuffins to shame. That's how good this is. Hot chocolate, breakfast man. Where do we start? There's so many things. Let's bagel it up actually. Ooh. Good Lord. It's thick. It's filled with stuff. This is just a start. That's the thing though. This, look at all this. Ooh. Maple bread. Maple cinnamon bread maybe? Delicious. Crunchy and delicious. Why? At some point I'm gonna say too many times, but this is one of the best ones. One of the best breakfasts I've had. And I say that and then something else comes along. Cranberry chocolate bread. I've had this once before on the channel. I ate the whole loaf, crunchy loaf. This is just a few because we have so many things, you know. And still very nice. Not too sweet. It's bread. The bread itself is bread. It's fluffy bread. And little cranberries in there, that little chocolate in there, just enough to, you know, very nice. sausage McMuffin at home. Complete success. Here. Okay. In the comments. And we keep on going. We keep on going. Beautiful bagel. Nice fresh bagel on that one. The crunchy mapley bread. Now I did add like a few drops of syrup on top, so without them you wouldn't feel it too much. So it's not really sweet. It smells really nice. It actually tastes more if it's not toasted, because I tried a regular slice. But toast it up, put some butter, a few drops of maple syrup, then spread it again, and boom. Ideally, actually, you could just make French toast as well. Didn't quite have the time or the milk anyway, but that would have been a very nice option. Cool bread again. Dried cranberries, better than raisins in my opinion. Mm. Delicious, many different elements. That's some good breakfasting we did right there. That's what life is about. Breakfast man will see you next time he does breakfast. Other eating food man. Oh god. Sorry, too much. Too many flavors are competing in my tummy now. Wow. Yes. Breakfast man shall see you. I will see you tomorrow with something else. I hope you have a very nice day filled with delicious food, whatever it is. Cheers.